I'm giving away a free full video content starter kit. That was a mouthful. Lights, wireless mics, a phone stand, an LED light tube, and a Duwit t-shirt. Absolutely free. Why? Because Duwit just turned 1 year old. And I want one of you to start creating video content. So listen, if you ever wanted to start making videos, this is exactly the sign that you're looking for. I'll tell you how to enter in a moment. But first, let me explain to you why this matters to me. Exactly 1 year ago, I posted the first episode of the Duwit podcast featuring Tawanga Sakala. And I'm truly grateful to Tawanga because she was the first person I was able to convince to come and record the first episode. And honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. I've never studied how to interview people, nor am I the best speaker. I just had this fire inside me, this obsession with understanding how people do it. I wanted to understand the minds of those who are doing something amazing. How they think, how they create, how they build, and how they grow. And most importantly, when I was starting out in the creative field, I never saw a lot of people talk about their creative work and their process. So after I got into this field and gained some experience, I thought to myself, why can't I start something that will put other creatives and people crushing it in their field on the spotlight so that somebody out there can be inspired and be motivated to pursue whatever they are after. And that is how Duwit was born. But it hasn't been easy. There are days that I feel like quitting, days that I question myself, my ability, my direction, my purpose. Times I feel alone and overwhelmed and unsure if anyone cares. But something keeps pulling me back. Every guest who sits in front of the camera, every story they share, every DM from someone saying, hey bro, this episode changed the way I see my work. Or I was really inspired to start my public speaking career. Every person that I randomly meet at an event or at the mall or some place unexpected and tell me how much the podcast has inspired them. Every person who subscribes, likes, shares, or even watches for 5 minutes. It all just adds up. Or Angela, who was a guest on my podcast, texts me saying her parents are actually binge watching the other Duwit episodes in the middle of the night. Or the people that I've looked up to my entire career, like Theo, aka DJ Traffic, say, this is one of the greatest things that has been made to bring creatives together in this country. Or when I sit down with people that I've looked up to, like Yemba, who apparently looks like my brother, and people get confused.
My young brother.
Yeah. Well, somebody actually thought it was AI. I don't know if they were kidding or not. Or that maybe Yemba cloned himself into me. And you know, sometimes I sit and think whether Yemba looks like me or I'm the one who looks like him. But because he's older, I'm probably the one who looks like him. Could be the reason why people are always asking me if he's my brother or related to him. Got lost in my thoughts again. Or when Mono shares a YouTube wrap-up and it shows that I am one of our most viewed YouTube channels. This gives me something that I didn't expect, and that is purpose. It has disciplined me, it has stretched me, and has forced me to learn, to be consistent, to show up even if I don't feel like it. And because of this podcast, I have met people who have shaped my thinking, and they have shared stories that really matter. And most importantly, I have found a community of doers, people who actually believe in becoming better. So to celebrate the 1 year of Duwit, I want to do something meaningful. I'm giving away this free video starter kit because I know exactly how it feels to begin with nothing but a dream. And I believe this kit could be something that somebody needs. And to enter, here's exactly what you need to do. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Just make sure you search for Marcus Souza on YouTube and subscribe to the channel. Secondly, comment on this video telling me exactly what you want to start creating. And remember to share with friends so that they can like your post and share it with other people. And make sure to join the Duwit community on WhatsApp. You can join using the link in the description. Make sure your comments gets a lot of views and likes, and the most important thing to me is make sure that even when you're commenting, you have a reason why you want to start creating content, and you're going to make sure that you make use of this content or to get started or to improve the look of your videos. So we're gonna be watching out for your comments and the likes and the shares and everything. So I'm excited to see your comments and what you really want to do with this toolkit. This has been 1 year of growth, mistakes, lessons, and purpose. Season 4 is done. We're just getting started. Season 5 is coming and we're gonna have more Duwit experiences or live events for those that don't know about the Duwit experiences. Thank you for helping me build Duwit into more than just a podcast. And maybe, just maybe, you'll be the one walking away with the starter kit. So subscribe, join the WhatsApp group, comment, share with your friends and those that will be interested. And I can't wait to see the person who's gonna win this. I'm pretty excited. So here's to the next chapter. Here's to the doers. Here is to you. Let's do it.